Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in AhleBait High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 9th class maths. We discussed almost all chapters of 9th class, starting from real numbers, polynomials, coordinate geometry, linear equations. Then next we learned the different geometrical chapters such as circles, triangles, quadrilaterals, areas, right? And also we learned the statistics, probability, and we did constructions. Yes. Finally, we came to a chapter that is proofs in mathematics. What is this? You did many proofs, we have learned many theorems like that. Then what is this theoretical concept? That is, any mathematical statement will have a theoretical background. What is it? How do we define? Okay. For example, if I say there is a person sitting on a chair, it is a statement, right? It is a statement which is telling a crystal clear thing, that is we can see a person sitting on a chair, right. Similarly, there are few statements which are naturally accepted, and there are few statements which are experimentally accepted, and there are few statements which are accepted with a few inputs. Okay. Then what are the how do we prove them? Okay. How do we prove? How do we accept those statements, right? And how do we expect them to react for the next statement? Clear? Those all are the basic concepts which you have to understand. That is what those theoretical concepts and everything are, the basic definitions. What are those? Shall we do? Let us see. See here, hypothesis. What is a hypothesis? Tell me. Hypothesis is defined as just a statement which gives a clear understanding about a series of statements. What is it? For example, if I say a set of natural numbers, okay, that is defined by 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. Clear? Yes. Then what is a statement giving here? It is a natural number, set of a natural numbers. It is a statement given to the set of numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. The explanation, whatever it is given for a series, can be called as a hypothesis. Clear? Did you understand? Hypothesis is a statement which gives a clear explanation for a statement or a series. Fine. Next, reasoning. Before going into that, what is a reasoning? How do we give a reason? Clear? Similarly, as we used to give in the bracket that y is it equal bolito, we will give since they are congruent or since they lie between two parallel lines, we tell that they are congruent or they are equal, right. That is a reason, that form of reason we give. Yes or no? A reason is a typical explanation for a statement. Clear? It may be a hypothesis based on the statement they give, right. Then what kind of reasonings we can have? That is deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning. What is the deductive reasoning? Deducting, that is deducing, that is taking from somewhere. Okay. If I tell a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a fixed formula. Okay. Can I find the value of 2 plus 3 whole square? Yes, obviously. How? Just substituting the value in that. Yes, we have a direct thing, we used it to prove this. Clear? We have already predefined inputs to give a reason for this particular statement, that can be called as a deductive reasoning. Okay. Based on the problem, whether we deduce the previous theorem or not, we have to prove this at least. Is it clear? Deductive reasoning is a term derived from the term that is deduce, deducing, deducting, that is taking from something. Okay. We have a direct inputs, we are taking the inputs from that and processing it. Clear? Next, what is this inductive reasoning? Inductive reasoning is a kind of reasoning which does not have direct form of inputs. Okay. Those inputs can be given by different forms, but we do not get direct answer. For example, if I have a plus b whole square, yes, I am getting it. Then if I want to find the value of 2 plus root 3 whole cube, how do we find? Do I have direct answer or else whole power 5, let us say? Do I have direct answer? Do I have direct formula? Even if I have, can we remember? No, right? That is, it depends on experimental value, that is, we have to multiply it physically and check it, without that we can't directly do it. Okay? That is, inductive reasoning means induction, that is, we have to prove it experimentally, we have to prove it. Clear? Let me give an example for that, a series of numbers. Okay? For example, first number is 4, second number is 9, third number is some 14. Okay? If I give like this, now tell me, what about 100th number like this? How do we get? Tell me, this is first, this is second term, this is third term, can we find 100th term? How? Yes, we have to prove the number. How? For this we have a special concept, that is arithmetic progression. That is, this is called as first term, we will check the difference between first and second. That is, if I add 5 to this, I will get this. Okay? I should add 5, then I will get this, then I will add 5, then I will get this. Clear? Like that, after adding 100 times, I will get this 100th number. Clear? Isn't it? Do we have a direct proof for this? There are formulas in your higher classes, but as of now, initially we do not have any proof or any direct formula for it. Even the formula which you have in your higher classes, that is also derived, that is not a standard one. Clear? That varies according to the situation also. Clear? What is inductive reasoning? Inductive reasoning is a form of reasoning which does not have direct inputs, and it has to be experimentally proven. Clear? Fine. The next, theorems and axioms. What are these? You people are learning these many theorems from your 6th or 7th classes. What is this theorem? A theorem is a statement which gives a mathematical proof. Okay? A theorem is a statement, is a physical statement which gives a mathematical proof. Okay? Let us say I will tell sum of angles in a triangle is 180. Did you ever look into that proof? Now see here. Remember, this is important. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180. How do we prove? A, B, C. Okay? How do we prove is? See here, I will show you. Let us extend this line and let us draw a line parallel to this. Let us say X, DE. Okay? Is it clear? Now let us say this angle is some angle, therefore, since these both are parallel, these both are parallel. Yes? Yes or no? Let me write all those. Construction. What are they? Draw DC parallel to AB and extend BC to E. Clear? Now proof. Here you can see angle BAC is equal to angle ACD. Why? Because they both are parallel to each other. Clear? And one more thing, angle ABC is equal to angle ACE. Yes, this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because these both are parallel and this is a transversal. Clear, right? So, let us assume this as X, okay, fine, and let us take this also. Then, how do we prove this? Tell me. Here it is okay. Here this is parallel to this, so okay, do not get confused, this is. So, let us say this as y, this is x and this is y. Clear? Now see here, let us assume angle ACB as z. Fine. Now see here, this is z. Is this 180? Yes, it is a straight line. Therefore, x plus y plus z is 180. Now tell me what is x? X is angle A. What is y? Y is angle B. What is C? What is that? Angle C. Right? Are we able to prove this? Yes, right. The sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. Clear? What is the theorem now? There is a physical dimensional statement given. We have proven it mathematically. Clear? Do you understand? We have many general basic theorems in our mathematics and physics. Yes, you people know very well. Fine. Axioms. What is an axiom? Tell me. You have learned this axioms and postulates chapter, right? What are those axioms? Axioms are again nothing but a simple statements which already have a mathematical proof, or else they may have or they may not have for a few things. We used to have an axiom such as a plus b is always equal to b plus a. What is it? Yes, the product of 0 with any number is always a 0. It is an axiom, it does not have any proof. Yes, just we are multiplying, we are getting it. Clear? You understand? Fine. These are the basic things, theoretical concepts of our mathematics. What are those? Hypothesis, deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning, theorems and axioms. Clear? Did you understand everything? Fine. These are the basic concepts by which we can end our chapter, that is proofs in mathematics. Clear? Fine. This is our last chapter of 9th class. How many chapters did we cover? We completed almost 15 chapters of 9th class. We did most of the models and most of the concepts of each and every chapter. Hope you all understood each and every problem of that, and you can practice more from your textbook. Clear? Fine. Hope everything is clear for you. Fine. Thank you.